Horrible Nairobi fire that has killed 3 people and injured nearly 300. A huge gas blast in the Kenyan capital, Nairobi, has killed at least 3 people and injured nearly 300. A lorry carrying gas exploded in Embakasi district at around 23:30 GMT 2030, igniting a huge ball of fire. A government spokesperson said housing, businesses, and cars were damaged, with video showing a huge blaze raging close to blocks of flats. The area has been cordoned off and an investigation is underway into the cause of the explosion. The government initially said the blast happened at a gas plant where workers were refilling gas cylinders, but later clarified that a truck had exploded in its parking yard. The fire that broke out as a result is reported to have been contained. Embakasi Police Chief Wesley Kimeto said a child was among those who died. It added that the death toll could rise. The Kenya Red Cross said it had taken 271 people to hospital. A further 27 people who were treated on site were later allowed to go home. Its head of disaster operations, Lieutenant Libila, told the BBC's Newsday program that a search and rescue operation was underway. They're trying to find out if people are missing or have simply taken shelter elsewhere. There is still a search going on of whether there are bodies which have been burnt in various houses. Embakasi East MP Babu Oino said. The Emergency and Petroleum Regulatory Authority said in a statement that the gas plant was illegal and that it had rejected 3 applications to construction permits to build a storage and filling facility at the site. The fireball from the blast had spread widely, according to government spokesman Isaac Maura, and a flying gas cylinder had heated clothing and textiles warehouse, burning it down. He said in a statement the inferno further damaged several vehicles and commercial properties. They included many small and medium-sized businesses. Sadly, residential houses in the neighborhood also caught fire, with a good number of residents still inside. As it was late at night, witnesses told the BBC the explosion sent objects including gas cylinders and a shipping container flying into the air. Jacqueline Karimi said she ran out of the house and lay off on the tarmac. She suffered burns on her right hand and arm up to the shoulder to her right leg. I saw a woman on fire, but we couldn't help her. Everyone was run, Miss Karimi said. Another woman who was in a flat near the scene of the blast told the BBC she was trying to trace her friend. She was pregnant and had a child in the house, which is now completely burned. Many of those who were hurt are said to have inhalation injuries. They include at least 25 children, the state newspaper reported. Boniface Sifuna told the Reuters news agency he was burned by an exploding gas cylinder. It exploded right in front of me and the impact knocked me down and the flames engulfed me. I am lucky that I was strong enough to get away. James Noor, who lives across the street from where the blast happened, told the AP news agency that he was in his house at the time and heard a explosion. It felt like it was going to collapse. At first, we didn't even know what was happening. It was like an earthquake. I have a business on the road that was completely destroyed. Government spokesman Mr. Moura said the blast scene had been secure and a command center had been set up to help coordinate rescue operations. Kenyans are hereby advised to keep off the cordoned area in order to allow the rescue mission to be carried out with minimal disruptions, he added. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.